Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. (2013) we have this code here, as you see, door ajar, MyKey active drive, speed limit to 80 miles per hour. So we need to reset this. We're using IDS, and we're gonna erase all the keys and reset it again and see if this is gonna go away. Okay, whenever you have that things, you see now we did a reset, parameter reset, ignition key code erase. You must have 2 keys, so we put the first key. Whenever you have this, okay, when you put this key on, you turn it, the computer will look for the second key. It will not go away. So I'm going to take this one out. I already did that one. Now I'm going to put the next one. Now I'm going to turn it. That light's supposed to go off. That's now good. Turn off, start it. This car has a clutch. Be sure that is off. Now that message will not be more. So I will go to the information, and then I will go to setting. You see, my key, no key. You see, no key, which is good. No my key. So that's the only way you can delete them, reset it, and you're good to go. If you don't have that one, it will not work. It's okay.
What exactly do I mean? That is what happened.
If it doesn't take it, I'm going to look for another one. But right now, we're good. My key is deleted. And for the newer car, they have another way of doing it. But you have to go and erase all the key from the memory and write them again. When you write them again, they will never have that one. Okay. Before, when you put it, now I don't have that one. You use your IDS, delete all the keys and write them back again, and you're good to go. So let me clean it. Gonna go back here, shut it down, open folder. I'm gonna have that one, and this is called My Way, and it is good for the teenager when they drive this car. The Ford Mustang, they program it so that they cannot exceed certain mileage, like 80 miles an hour, and for their safety is very good.